Hello, my name is Christoph Sonntag. I'm a teacher at Phayao University in North Thailand. In this clip I'd like to share with you an idea that my friend Dr. P told me recently. The question is, how can we analyze a scientific article or text in an efficient way? I show you a brief example here. This is a research article from the internet in PDF format. So in my research I'm interested in catalytic reactions of transition metals. So this article could give me some ideas how to use copper oxide as a catalyst for oxidation reactions. The normal way to get the content would be to read through the text and mark important phrases. This is the conventional linear approach. The problem is, when I reach the end of the article, I normally forgot what was in the beginning. I do not get an overall picture of the content and have to go back and forth many times to finally understand the whole meaning. An alternative way could be to split the text into small blocks and order them together so I can get an overview. On the website XMind.net you can download a free program to construct mind maps on your computer. I recommend you to go to this website and download the free version, which is now the version 331. After you have installed the MindMap program and open it, you will first see a choice of different templates. So I recommend you to use the central topic blank template. Now, this central topic in our case is of course the title of our article. Now the question is, how can we get the article from the file here into our mind map? When you use Adobe Reader, you can activate under menu Edit the snapshot function. This allows you to mark parts of the PDF document and copy it as a picture into the mind map. Let's try this out with our title. When you have selected the area, it is automatically saved into your clipboard. In XMind you select the topic and just press Ctrl V or right click and paste. You see the picture is in our subject. You can delete the default title, double click on it and delete it, enter. The title is now there as a small picture. You can change the size here, but leave it at the moment as it is. The next important part is the abstract. It should be a summary of the content. In this case I can just copy the whole abstract as before. In XMind I create a new topic by pressing Tab. I name this topic Summary. And paste the abstract from the article. In our article we already have text blocks in form of paragraphs. When we read the first sentence, the meaning of the paragraph should be clear. Now it depends if you want to do a real deep analysis of this article or you just want to get the most important parts into your overview. If we need just an overview, I recommend to go first to the end of the introduction, because the first part is normally about the background and previous research. The new research of this article is here. I mark and copy just this part from the introduction. In XMind I create a new topic and call it research idea. And paste the paragraph. So this article is very short. So I go to the experimental section. The first part, again, is not important since there is only a list of used materials. The interesting part comes here, where the preparation of the catalyst is described. I copy this paragraph and put it in XMind under a new topic, catalyst preparation. And finally, on the next page, we find a typical experiment where they use this catalyst to make an oxidation reaction, benzyl chloride to benzaldehyde. I copy this description and put it in XMind and call the topic reaction. To make the mind map more visual, it is always good to include graphs and pictures. In our article I find the reaction equation, which I copy and add as a subtopic to the research idea. It's a good practice not just put every topic around the center, but to think about how topics are linked together. In our article there is no graph or picture, but we can copy a part of the table to show some example reactions. I recommend not to just copy too much, otherwise we lose the overview. So I just take the first 3 or 4 examples to copy. In XMind I attach these examples to the reaction part to show that we can use this reaction not only for benzyl chloride but also for different other molecules. As you can see in this quick example, we could rearrange the important content of an article in a short time into a map that gives an overview on just one page. Nevertheless, we have to read and understand the paragraphs, not just copy and paste them. So I hope this example helps you and encourages you to try this method with your own articles or with the textbook. Of course, that does not only work for science articles, but as well as for language research or essays or any story. If you like to see more examples from me, try my Facebook page under up.chemistry. Thank you. Just copy and paste them. You should find the key sentences and put them into the map. Then this method can be very helpful.